Hello everyone, let's go to the 75th example. Make a program that reads a 4 by 5 matrix of integers. Show the value of the largest element as an answer present in the matrix, the row and the column in which it is located. Print the response values in a single line separated by a single space. So let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, you have to include the library stdio.h, which allows us to print messages on the screen. Here I am using the hashtag define to define a name and a value for this name. I am using two hashtag define to define a name, row for the rows, columns for the columns, and a value for the rows and for the columns. So every time I call the name row, the value will be equal to 4, and every time I call the value call, the name call, the value will be equal to 5. So I am including 6 int variables for the matrix, the I, the j, the biggest, the position of the biggest, and the position in the row and the position in the column of the biggest. Here I am reading the values. This true force is to reading the values. The I is equal to 0 and the I has to be lower of 4. And every time this for loop runs, the value of I will be increased by 1. So for the value of 0, the I of equal to 0, the j runs all these 4. So at the first time 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4, as our matrix have 5 columns. So the j will be equal to 0, the j has to be lower of 5, and every time this for loop runs, the j value will be increased by 1. This scanf will just storage the value that you type in your keyboard on your computer memory in the matrix I, j place. Here I am including the value of biggest equal to the matrix, the first value on the matrix, the position of the I and the position of the j. And here we have the same conditionals of these true force for reading, but here I am searching the biggest value, and if the biggest value is lower to the next value in the matrix, the biggest will be equal to the matrix I and j, and the position is equal to I and the position equal to j, the position of the row and the position of the column. This printf will print the biggest value in the matrix is %d /n to skip a line, the row position is equal to %d /n to skip the other line, and the column position is %d /n to skip a line. So the first %d is for the biggest value, the second is for the position of the column, and the third is the position of the row. The second is the position for the row, and the third is the position of the column. May I just change to be easier call. So underline row, underline call, underline row, underline call, and the values here, underline row and underline call. So let's go to the terminal and see what is happening here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 20 21 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So the biggest value in the matrix is 20, and the row position is 1 and the column position is 2. So let's go back and check. So the first value is placed on the position 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4, 1 0 1 1 1 2. As you can see, is correct. The row is 1 and the column is 2. So, thank you for your attention. Link for the scripts in the video description and subscribe for regular content.